Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to factory reset your Google Pixel phone quickly and easily. So let's get started. Before you begin, make sure to back up your important data, because this process will erase everything on your phone. First, open the Settings app on your Google Pixel. Next, scroll down and tap on System. Then, tap on Reset Options. Now, select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Here, you'll see what will be erased, including your apps, accounts, and personal files. Scroll down and tap on Erase All Data again to confirm. Finally, tap on Erase All Data one more time to start the factory reset process. Note, if your phone is protected with a PIN, pattern, or password, you'll need to enter it to continue. Your phone will now restart and begin resetting. Once it's done, your Google Pixel will be restored to its original factory settings. And that's it! You successfully performed a factory reset on your Google Pixel phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.